We're once again heading into the holidays with our hospital system overwhelmed. And as we continue to navigate this triple threat virus season, a couple of doctors share with me what you and your family can do to stay healthy and help prevent a spike in the new year.
We've got 7 grandchildren, so there's always somebody sick.
Right.
And lots of times you adjust for that.
As families prepare to gather and celebrate, flu, RSV, and COVID are in high circulation, and hospitals continue seeing a surge in patients, particularly young children.
We can't ignore that we're in the midst of a pretty nasty respiratory viral season.
Infectious diseases expert Dr. Isaac Bogosh says there's one rule families should follow.
If you're sick, stay home. It's as simple as that. It really is as simple as that.
At last check, 117 children are in the ICU, and as we reported this week, hundreds of pediatric surgeries are being canceled to make room in critical care.
My colleagues are making decisions between the child with a brain tumor or the child that's going to lose their bladder function because of another problem in the spine.
While Ontario's top doctor said yesterday it appears influenza may have peaked in the province, there's still lots of community spread. RSV will be persistent through the winter, and according to Health Canada, COVID infections are on the rise.
Are you concerned about, gatherings and potential spikes after the holidays?
Yeah, definitely. Like after Christmas is usually the busiest time of year for ERs.
Toronto ER physician Dr. Kashif Prasada is urging families to take preventative measures.
When you're going Christmas shopping in crowded malls and crowded places, I would wear a mask. It's a good idea. If you're flying, let's say, that's a good idea to do. The other thing is use rapid tests. They're giving them away at pharmacies and grocery stores. You can get them. I would test the day before your family gathering and maybe the day of. They're not 100%, but they're a pretty good way to catch at least COVID. There's no rapid tests for RSV or flu yet, as far as I know.
Also, know your crowd. Some people are more vulnerable than others. Children under 5, the elderly, and the immunocompromised are most at risk. Has there been any talk about maybe rapid testing? If you're sick, stay home, anything like that?
Just if you're sick, stay home. And I know my daughters volunteered to wear masks to school, so they wanted to do that. But other than that, I've kind of just left it up to where people's comfort levels are.
Dr. Bogosh says one of the best things you can do is get vaccinated. And when it comes to gatherings, let common sense prevail.
I think everyone should have a wonderful holiday, and I really hope people enjoy themselves. I think it's fair to acknowledge that it's not 2020 or 2021 anymore, and we're in a much different place.
Frequent hand washing is a big one for flu and RSV. Those viruses spread more easily from surfaces. Also, crack a window open during family dinner for better ventilation. Shauna Hunt, City News.